Hi guys, I'm Vinay Pandey, VKP, Master Teacher Chemistry in Vedantu. Let us solve question number 5 of JEE Advanced 2020 Paper 1 Chemistry. This question is of single correct answer type, and the question says the Fisher projection of D-erythrose is shown below. D-erythrose and its isomers are listed as P, Q, R and S in column 1. Choose the correct relationship of P, Q, R and S with D-erythrose from column 2. You can see this is D-erythrose. It is given here, right? And now there are some other isomers of P, Q, R and S. Maybe some of them are even D-erythrose, identical to this, okay? You have to make the relation of P with D-erythrose, whether it is diastereomer, identical or enantiomer. Then Q with D-erythrose, whether it is diastereomer, identical or enantiomer, like that for R and S also. Like you have to establish the relation between D-erythrose and any of P, Q, R and S. Make a pair with P, Q, R and S separately and find out the relation from the column 2. And answers are given like that, okay? So let us start. Let us solve this question. What we shall do is we will make all these P, Q, R and S for these structures. No, we shall convert these structures into Fisher projection formula and then find out what's the relation between D-erythrose and one of PQRS, right? Let us start. Okay, so structure of P is what? Structure of P, if you convert P into Fisher, then you will find that CHO you will write at the top, then OH, this OH will come right, and this is CH2OH, okay? So you can see that P given in this column 1 is actually identical to D-erythrose. So for P answer is 2, right? Okay, let us convert structure Q given in column 1 in Fisher projection formula, okay? Let us convert. Again, CHO you should put at top, then this carbon number 2 OH will come at left, carbon number 2 OH will come at left, and carbon number 3 OH will come at right, and then it will become CH2OH, right? You can see this Q, structure Q is neither identical nor mirror image of D. That means Q is diastereomer. So Q is diastereomer, that means Q is having relation 1, right, with D-erythrose. Let us convert structure R given in column 1 to Fisher projection formula. R is actually this CHO at the top, okay? Then carbon number 2 will have OH at right and carbon number 3 will have OH at left, and carbon number 4 is not chiral, so you can write anyway, right? So this is also, this is also not neither identical nor enantiomer. So R is diastereomer with D-erythrose, so R also will have answer 1. So P is 2, Q is 1 and R is 1. Let us finally convert this structure S from column 1 to Fisher projection formula, and we find that it is CHO at the top, then OH of the carbon number 2 will go to left and OH of carbon number 3 will go to left again, and this is CH2OH, which is carbon number 4, which is not chiral, so we don't care about that. I mean, no stereoisomerism, no stereo is taken care for the carbon number 4 as it is not chiral. So you can see this S in Fisher projection formula looks like mirror image of D-erythrose. So D-erythrose and compound S in column 1 are actually enantiomers. So S is 3. So what answer we got? We got P2, Q1, right, R1 and S3. So this way our answer should be P2, Q1, R1, S3. This is C. So C is the correct answer. Okay, understood?